All right, time to take a look at the MUTUACTOR 2-pack strong magnetic hooks. Yeah, that's cool. We can see we got a full ring magnet on the bottom, and that is stuck into this clamp hook. So nice and strong. Most traditionally use these things for holding up like brooms and mops and that kind of thing, but something like this that I can easily move around from one place to another, I can just like stick this onto some machinery. So for holding tools and things like that, this is going to be ideal. So these pads are made up of a nice squishy material, which is going to be great, so I don't have to worry about damaging anything. And I really like this roll style, so it's going to actually grab it and then kind of clamp it in. We also have rubber padding on the back, and that is kind of textured, so it's going to help to hold it in place so it's not sliding up and down. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think these are actually going to be pretty neat just for holding up tools. I like that better than magnets, where you take the magnet and you stick it to the magnet, just because I don't like to magnetize my tools. But with this, that's actually pretty darn handy. Cool. Yeah, that's awesome.